Hello everyone, my name is Rajeshwari and welcome to my channel. Since monsoon is here now, I am going to share with you guys 7 tips which you can follow to look instantly stylish in monsoon because looking stylish and being comfortable in your clothes during monsoon is really a task in itself. So, if you want to know what those 7 tips are, then please keep on watching. So, the first and foremost tip would be to wear light material clothes because it's obvious in case you get wet, you don't want your clothes to take forever to dry. Also, avoid wearing denims again for the same reason. So, wear light material clothes like rayon, cotton, or polycotton so they won't take time to dry and will give you a comfortable and a gorgeous look. And that was the first tip. Now, moving on to the second tip. The second tip is to go for clothes that are shorter in length so that you don't have to worry about getting your clothes drenched in the muddy water. Now you cannot wear denims, but you can go for shorter denims. Or if you are not comfortable, then you can go for the midi dresses like the one that I am wearing. They are not too short and not too long, and at the same time, they look really cute and stylish. You can also go for ankle length bottoms or 3/4 bottoms because this tip is all about going for shorter in length. And so that was the second tip. Now moving on to the third tip. The third tip is no light or pastel colors because if you wear light colors then they can get stained easily. So try to wear dark colored clothes during monsoon so that अगर कोई stain लगता भी है then it wouldn't be that noticeable on a dark color. But if it's a light color it's gonna be pretty much noticeable. Also when light clothes are wet they become transparent and we obviously don't want that. So yeah, try to wear dark clothes and that was the third tip. Now, coming to the fourth tip. One thing you must definitely avoid is wearing very tight fit clothes during rainy season because due to rain clothes start sticking to our body already, and above that wearing tight clothes can become uncomfortable and also can lead to skin problems during monsoon. Clothes also absorb the moisture which you definitely want to avoid. They say you must not wear loose on loose or tight on tight, but who cares? Unless you carry it with confidence, everything looks perfect on you. The fifth tip is whenever you go out, carry a jacket or maybe just a scarf with you. So, if you are chilling in the cold weather, you can just wear the jacket or wrap the scarf so you won't catch cold. The sixth tip is waterproof everything, which means waterproof makeup, accessories, waterproof bag. Now, do not use leather bags because there is moisture in the air during the monsoon season and moisture gets accumulated in the leather, which can damage it permanently. So, avoid leather accessories and use bags made with water resistant material. Also, don't forget to wear waterproof makeup because the rainwater can wash off all the makeup from your face and then you'll end up looking like a joker. So, wear waterproof mascara or kajal or waterproof foundation so that your makeup doesn't wear off. Avoid wearing oxidized jewelry in monsoon because due to the increased humidity in atmosphere during the monsoon season, these items can get corroded and will turn the silver jewelry black in color. Instead, you can wear such cute jewelry that I am wearing, which looks stylish and is so in trend these days. The seventh tip is avoid wearing shoes or closed footwear as the humid weather can make the shoes more soggy, which will lead to fungus growth in shoes. So wear sandal or chappals like these which are open and won't accumulate water and moisture. And last but not the least, of course, an umbrella. Always keep an umbrella with you. Now, do I need to tell you why? No, right? Am I sounding like a teacher? Yes, and I don't know why. So, yeah, this is it. Those were the tips, and see you in the next video. Bye.